Good morning everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck, popping in today to show you a Secret Santa that I've sent off in May. Now, Annika, who is part of the Happy Mailers, did not receive anything for her Secret Santa swap in Christmas. I found out recently, so I decided that I would do that because unfortunately the other person was unable to fulfill their side of things. So this is the swap that I sent to her. There was stipulations on the swap of what to send. There was 12 items you had to send. So the first one was a memory decks card. The second was a tag flip. The third one here is an embellishment. Now I've tried to keep everything very flat, and so fourth one was a store-bought item. So I've done some stickers, and yeah, I've tried to keep everything flat so that it can go into a nice flat box to deliver to Germany. So this here is some caramello koalas that you can get here in Australia. I don't know whether you can get them elsewhere in the world, but so the fifth item was chocolate. The sixth item was an embellishment box. Now this is just a tiny wooden veneer box I've taken and put little embellishments, tiny embellishments in, and then I've used acetate to seal over the top. And the seventh prompt was to you send 6 Christmas cards. So luckily I had some Christmas cards in my stash and I was able to make matching envelopes for them. So I'm just showing you those here. And I didn't want Annika to miss out on having her Christmas swap when she has already sent her stuff to someone else. So yeah, that's why I am fulfilling that side of the swap for her now. So I hope you guys are liking it so far. And so number 8 is some rosettes, a set of rosettes it said. So the set of rosettes I've done are white, and so I've gone with a theme here. I'm hoping that you can see it, sort of like a gold and silver theme for like the Christmas side of things. And it was so weird making it in May. So so that was 7, 8, 9. So number 9 was a Christmas tree decoration. So I've got that one there, sending to her. And number 10 was a sequins mix. So once again, gone the silver and gold and white. And then number 11 is another store-bought goodie. I've folded over the top here so that it fits nicely into the bag that I'm popping in. And number 12 was a stocking filled with stuff. So this is a miniature stocking that I have sewn and made and added my own lace to, and I'll give you a close-up in a bit. I've added some Pick Your Mix Christmas stickers that I bought from her earlier this year. I've added some stars, silver and gold stars, and a washi tape. And so you can see the gold thread at the top, and the lace is just hand stitched on. So I hope you guys like what I've created. This is the finished product here of what it looks like going into the box. And I found a box that I keep my Christmas embellishments and goodies in, so I've emptied that out and popped it into a plain box so that I could send this box across to Germany, because it fitted perfectly, and all I had to do was tape down the sides to send it to Annika. And she was so shocked. She said she cried. And I'm so glad that I was able to make her day and send a swap finally. So if you want to join the Happy Mailers group, you are more than welcome to come along and join in. All you have to do is search Happy Mailers on Facebook and join the group. If not, I'll send you the link. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Lots of crafty love. Give this video a like and a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.